Good morning, students of Standard 10th. Today we are going to discuss topic female reproductive system from chapter 3 reproduction. Female reproductive system, it comprises of following parts: ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix and vagina. Students, the most important part of the female reproductive system is made up of ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix and vagina. Ovary, it is a paired almond shaped organ which synthesizes egg. So students, ovary actually is a paired almond shaped organ. So students, it is the specific organ of the female reproductive system which is 2 in number and is almond shaped. Students, the main function of the ovary is to synthesize egg, that is to manufacture egg. So students, here the concept of ovary we can understand in a more better way if we concentrate on this picture. So students, here you can easily notice that there are presence of 2 ovaries in the female reproductive system. And students, if you will concentrate here, then you can also notice that they are almond shaped. And the main function of the ovary is to synthesize egg. The process of formation of ova from ovary is called as ovulation. Students, the process by which ova or egg gets generated in the ovary, then that process is called as ovulation. So students, we can understand the concept of ovulation in a more better way if we concentrate here. Then in this picture we will be able to notice that there are presence of certain processes undergoing which ova is generated. So students, the first step in the generation of ova inside the ovary is primary follicle. Students, you can notice that the primary follicle is very small in shape and size. Students, the primary follicle further develops to form the secondary follicle or secondary ovum, and thereafter, after accumulation of necessary nutritive material, secondary ovum gets converted into Graafian follicle. So students, after the formation of Graafian follicle, you can easily notice that the follicle merges with the ovary wall, and further the ovum is released. So students, in this picture you can easily notice the liberated ovum written here, that shows the ova has been released after attaining maturity, and students, this process is called as ovulation. Infundibulum. It is trumpet-like part of female reproductive system. It comprises of fimbriae, ampulla and isthmus. So students, infundibulum, which is also called as the fallopian tube, is a trumpet-like part of the female reproductive system. Since the main component of the fallopian tube or the infundibulum is fimbriae, ampulla and isthmus. Students, we can easily understand various parts of the fallopian tube if we concentrate on this picture. So students, this is the trumpet-like part of the female reproductive system, which is called as infundibulum. So students, this trumpet-like part is further distinguished into ampulla. Students, here you can notice the ampulla. So students, this is the ampulla which you can see here. The infundibulum, the hole which you can see is called the fallopian tube. Students, you can also find here the isthmus. And here the finger like projections which you can see, that is the fimbriae. So students, taken collectively, these all parts which are the ampulla, the isthmus and the fimbriae, it is called as isthmus, which you can see here students. This all collected then forms the infundibulum. Uterus. It is a triangular muscular organ. Cervix. It is narrow channel-like structure. Vagina. It is a muscular tube-like structure which receives penis during sexual intercourse. So students, uterus, which is one of the most important part of the female reproductive system, actually appears like a triangular muscular organ. So students, let's understand uterus with the help of this picture. So students, here we can easily notice the triangular muscular organ which we call as the uterus. Students, cervix actually is a narrow channel like structure which we can easily find in this picture, which is here the narrow channel like structure. So students, this is a narrow channel like structure which is called as cervix. Vagina. It's a muscular tube like structure. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you can also notice a muscular tube like structure which is called as vagina. So students, vagina actually is the muscular tube, the main function of which is to receive the penis during sexual intercourse. Students, now let's discuss an important question. What are the layers present in uterus? The uterus of female reproductive system comprises of following layers: perimetrium, mesometrium, and endometrium. Thank you, students.